Hi there, and welcome! In today's video, we're going to talk about personal protective equipment that keeps you safe in the workplace. Whether it's a helmet, gloves, mask, or shoes, each piece is vital in protecting you from harm. These protective items are crucial because they shield you from injuries and illnesses that can occur in dangerous work environments. Without them, even small accidents could lead to serious harm. Using the right gear is essential to your well-being. Let's start with the helmet. Helmets are vital in environments like warehouses where falling objects or impacts could cause serious injuries. A good helmet protects your head, ensuring that a simple mistake doesn't result in life-threatening harm. Next up, gloves. These protect your hands from cuts, burns, chemicals, and other harmful substances. They help prevent contamination and safeguard against various hazards, depending on the environment you're working in. Now, let's talk about the mask. Masks protect your respiratory system from dust, chemicals, fumes, and harmful microorganisms. They help shield you from dangerous airborne particles and keep you safe in various work environments. Protective clothing is essential for keeping your body safe. Whether it's a full-body suit in a chemical lab or specialized gear for other environments, these clothes shield you from hazardous materials, extreme temperatures, and potential accidents. Safety shoes are just as important. Whether it's steel-toe boots to protect against heavy objects or slip-resistant shoes to prevent falls, the right footwear helps prevent injuries to your feet and ensures stability in dangerous environments. Using these items properly is just as important as wearing them. Make sure everything fits correctly and is in good condition. If any piece of equipment is damaged, it won't protect you as effectively. Always check your gear before starting your work. Always make sure you're wearing the right gear, and don't take safety for granted. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.